Hello students, I hope you have learned and understood the first chapter. So now let's start the exercises of the first chapter, Science, class 5th, page number 12. First exercise, which is A, take the correct option. Question number first, it is the beginning of a new plant. The answer is B, seed. Second, seeds of dash are dispersed by wind. The answer is C, cotton. Third, fungi and ferns grow from tiny structure called. The answer is A, spores. The dash is placed right underneath the seed coat. The answer is B, endosperm. Fifth, potato has buds called eyes. So the answer is A, eyes. Next exercise B, fill in the blanks using the help box. First question, dash is the beginning of a new plant. So the answer is seed. Second, the dash provides nourishment to the various parts of embryo during germination. The answer is endosperm. Fill in the blank, second question. Now the third question, seed of xanthium are dispersed by animals. So the answer is animals. Now the fourth question, rice and maize are dash crops. The answer is kharif crops. Fifth, dash is digging up of soil to prepare it for growing crops. The answer is plugging. If you want the spelling is, I will spell out for you, PLOUGHING, plugging. Now let's come to the next exercise, which is C, write true or false. First question is, reproduction maintains continuity of life, which is true. Second, cotyledons store food for growing embryo, which is also true. Third question, dandelion is carried by water from one place to another. The answer is false. Dandelion seeds are carried away by wind, not water. So the third question's answer is false. Fourth question, money plant and sugar cane can grow new plants from stem cuttings. The answer is true. Yes. Fifth, the weeds are removed with the help of a harrow. The answer is false. The weeds are removed with the help of a rake, not harrow. Now next exercise D, give two examples of each of the following. First question, seeds dispersed by wind, and the answer are, first question, seeds dispersed by wind, the answers are cotton and dandelion. Second question, seeds dispersed by water, answers are lotus and coconut. Third, seeds that can grow with the help of their roots, the answers are radish and carrot. Fourth, plants that reproduce with the help of their stems, the answers are sugarcane and potato. Fifth, plants that reproduce with the help of spores, the answers are fungi and ferns. Now let's complete these question answers. First question is, what are different ways by which plants reproduce? So the answer is the different ways by which plants reproduce are, you can come to the page number 5th, and here are the two ways. Plants mainly reproduce in two ways. First is through seeds, second is through stems, leaves or roots. Next question. What is germination? Name the condition required for it. And answer is in the page number 6. Here it is. Germination is the process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling in the presence of water, air and warmth of sunlight. Till here you have to write your second answer. Now the next question is, what do you understand by dispersal of seeds? Describe the different ways of seed dispersal. And the answer is in the page number 6. Here at the last paragraph, first line, this process by which a seed the process by which seeds are scattered away from the parent plants is called seed dispersal. This is the first part of the question. And next answer is, what are the different ways by which seed dispersal? So the answer is dispersal by wind, dispersal by water and dispersal by animal, and one more, dispersal by explosion. So the four things we have to write: dispersal by wind, and the answer is in the page number 7. Only you have to write the headings only: dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animals and dispersal by explosion. Only 4 headings you have to write, nothing else. Next, fourth question. Differentiate between Kharif and Rabi crops. And the answer is in page number 10, paragraph 2nd. From here, crops that are grown in the summer season, that is from June to October, are called Kharif crops. And crops that are grown in winter season, that is from November to April, are called Rabi crops. Next, you should also write two examples of Kharif crops and Rabi crops. In Rabi crops, example will be wheat, cabbage, gram, etc. And in Kharif crop, example will be rice, maize, jowar, etc. Now let's go to the last question, which is, how do farmers grow healthy crops? Now this question will be your homework. Go through the lessons and try to find the answers. Now your first chapter is complete. Now next video will be of lesson 2nd. And if you have any doubt, please go through the video again and or you can also comment in the comment section. Thank you.